Apparently this camper sat for a long time somewhere because they are everywhere. So well, I've seen on YouTube that this thing is very heavy. We're gonna find out. Here it comes.
Timber. Oh God.
Don't do what I do at home. I'm a professional. I'm a professional.
Oh God. Whatever.
Well, hello y'all. Welcome to the latest episode of Our Hot Mess. That's about what it's turned into. What I'm going to be doing today is removing the Norcold refrigerator out of here. It does not work, which I think is pretty much the common theme with everybody with Norcold. They don't work. So as we were working on everything else, I kind of thought to myself, and after a few YouTube videos, you cannot get this refrigerator out of the door of the camper. You got to cut it up. So I thought this is the best time to get it out of the roof because we got the roof open. So today I'm going to tackle getting this refrigerator out of here. Not sure exactly what I'm doing, so just bear with me. Looks like I got some screws here, and one back here to start with, so we'll get them out. Alright, here we are on the outside. Looks like we got some screws here on the inside of the panel here to get out. So we'll take them out. Give her a push. So, well, I've seen on YouTube that this thing is very heavy. We're gonna find out.
Is it heavy?
Not really. For the average man, it would be.
Oh God.
But you know.
Shut up.
Any less of a man, he would have had a hard time with it.
Yeah.
We are talking about me.
Mm-hmm.
So here we're gonna do, since our truck camper is a convertible.
Convertible?
I'm gonna let the top back.
Oh, because we haven't finished the roof.
And throw it out. You ready?
Yeah.
Recording?
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Timber. Oh God.
There it is. There's your refrigerator opening.
I already did that.
It's really pretty easy to get out. So now we just got to clean this up. Apparently this camper sat for a long time somewhere because they are everywhere. Crazy. But don't do what I do at home. I'm a professional.
Oh God. Whatever.
Well, there it is. It's in there. Still got to run a little trim. Some trim molding around there on both sides. But it is in there. Had to notch out the bottom a little bit. But pretty cool. It'll work. It will work. There we go.